Hi, and welcome to the Shopware 6 release news. September kicks off with a new release, bringing us Shopware version 6.5.50. Let's start with the general updates. These changes apply to the new version in the Community Edition and all commercial plans. Here we have added the new Health Check API. With this specialized API endpoint, you can now have monitoring tools keep tabs on your store availability around the clock. This feature is designed to empower Shopware agencies, store owners, and hosting providers with greater control, enhanced security, and rapid response capabilities. So if you want to get started, check out our developer documentation on the Health Check API to learn how to set up your own monitoring system. The latest version comes with even more small improvements and optimizations. If you want to explore these changes in detail, the best way is to check out the changelog. Now let's move on to the commercial news. This feature is not included in the Community Edition, but is only available to our commercial customers. The feature we have added here is an extension to the subscription feature, and it lets your customers manage their subscriptions on their own. So last month we unveiled our Shopware subscriptions feature, and now we're taking it a step further with our update, and a self-service for subscriptions is now possible. So what does this mean for you? Your customers now have the freedom to manage their own subscriptions, whether it's viewing details, hitting pause on a delivery, or even canceling. And all of this is possible right from their online account. So here you can see the subscription tab, where the customer now can see all the details of the subscription and pause once, so skip one iteration, or even cancel the subscription. Please note that this feature is an exclusive part of our subscription feature, so this is only available for our Beyond Plan customers. And as always, we would like to say thank you to all our GitHub contributors for their pull requests that have been incorporated into this version.